Hello, my people. I greet all of una this evening. Good evening to all of una. It depends where you dey and the time where you go to see the video. I greet una. This is Blacks in Europe TV. We remains the Blacks Hope. So as we remains with the Blacks Hope, meaning say every evening we need to give una update things where they go on in Italy. Now we want to talk about. But today we want to talk about serious issue, very important issue about people who wanna get subsidiary 5 years and asilo political 5 years. There are some new updates where don't come where if you mistake the paper go out of your hand, and people where wanna get subsidiary or asilo where wanna won't carry the paper go working permit, which is subordinato. You understand? So that matter now we won't explain more and understand some mistakes where if you do you go feel lose this particular paper because of waiting you use the paper do. So this video, pay attention and listen. If you have a friend where be like say he gets subsidiary or asilo political 5 years paper, send this video to the person. But before we go in details, please, if you never download tap send application where they send money, they go Niger. This app no be only Niger. Me I they use them 2.5 years ago where I tell they send money, they go Niger. But now why they announce tap send now it don't go Nigeria, and I'm brand ambassador for tap send to Niger. So anytime if you hear me say they advertise say send money go Niger, not because I mean say no only Nigerians they send money, but because I am the ambassador, I need to do my job. Because the tap send an application where be like say their rate is high. Monday I sent 100 euro to Nigeria. I received 68,000 naira. Also try tap send. It will help you send money without paying any sending fee. The rate very high. Don't forget to use the promo code Gloria, GLORIA. With this promo code they go dash you 6,000 naira also. So my people, as we won't move in now, about maybe we start from subsidiary protection first before we go into asilo political. This subsidiary protection, there is two things involved. If they give you paper, either they go say use Africa passport, which is your country of origin, their passport, or they go say use titolo di viaggio. Asilo, if they give you, in any case, you no fit apply for your country passport, which we know now only documento di viaggio you go fit apply. But now here is the mistake where many people will get this 5 years paper, their mind they confuse on, and many people they don't lose their paper because of these things where they do, because they won't dodge some things about the law. Now if they give you this paper, you know fit go your country of origin direct, but you fit go your continent, which we know I don't preach this matter to a lot of people. But now this is the case whereby after if migrant we come Italy, all our mind say we need 5 years paper, but if we receive the 5 years paper finish, our mind go tell us say I no fit go my country, the paper self they tire me. So most of us people go they advise you say carry the paper, take go working permit, which is either subordinato, which is 1 year or 2 years. It depends the work contract where you get. For example, if you get 2 year a life contract, they can give you 2 years subordinato, which is working permit. And if your contract now normal contract, seasonal contract, they will give you 1 year. Now this risk, many of questura, especially when I will get subsidiary protection, many of the questura, if you carry go, say may they convert the paper. If you meet better person, when no immigration policy and law, it go tell you say no, they no go fit do for you. No be say they no go fit do, they go fit do your subsidiary to working permit for you. But look, if you hold a subsidiary protection, after 1 year of 5 years of holding subsidiary, you fit apply for carta soggiorno. And who hold this thing working permit, which is subordinato, the same 5 years, you need to stay here for 5 years before you go for carta soggiorno. So your mind they tell you say not the same. No, not be the same. The moment where you won't go renew your subsidiary, whether with working contract or without working contract, they go renew for you. But if you move that your 5 years to subordinato, either 2 years or 1 year, so far as now working permits, if the contract where you say do the contract expire and you no get another contract, take go renew one, that your paper it don't die. they go give you the 1 year, and they go give you another 1 year paper where show say you dey check for job. I do video about this particular paper. So if that 1 year where they still give you or the 6 months expire, you not gonna get work again, meaning say your paper you don't finish. So for you not to risk this thing, if you get 5 years, in any case, in any circumstance, my brother, not carry the paper, go this thing, working permit. Maybe your mind they tell you say, if you move on to 1 year working permit, it will allow you to go your country. Any moment where you go convert asilo to anything, still or subsidiary, still they recognize you, they know say you this person now through asilo or subsidiary you take go. So the moment when you go your country direct, with the day of renewing, the day where you won't go renew, because if you won't go renew paper, your passport, you go print everything, come. Either na Ghana passport, Nigeria passport, or titolo di viaggio or documento di viaggio. You go submit everything, go give Questura. Why Questura need your passport? Not be because your passport now they want to renew, but make they check after you receive, since you receive the paper, which country you don't travel to. The moment when you na subsidiary and asilo, when you don't move to working permit, lavoro subordinato, no mean say your commissioner don't forget say see story where you talk where they take give you paper. So if they review, see say yeah, you this person you don't go your country, and you first tell us say your country they danger. That one na one risk for them where you go lose the paper. Now coming to asilo political small before I go still go the subsidiary. Recently, Questura changed some laws. Interior Minister Luciana Lermogeze, he changed some laws about people who get asilo political. Before, maybe if you get asilo, you born, as you won't cut paper, give your pikin. If na asilo 5 years you get, they go give the asilo 5 years to the pikin. But now, they go tell you say you need to do the paper motivo di familiare. So that's why now you go see person paper. They don't write motivo di familia, which normally we know say motivo di familia na either 2 years or 1 year. But now you go see 5 years paper where they don't still write motivo di familia. Why? Because you from asilo political or subsidiary, you could give maybe your papa, your mama, your pikin, or your wife. Now make the paper, they move on. So most at times, I don't know your region, whether na so they do one. But in Torino here, the moment where you born, any paper where they your hand, instead of them to cut, maybe if na protezione speciale, make they cut and direct, give the pikin. So far as you won't give the pikin, they go tell you say the paper name go turn to motivo di familia. And if na asilo, you take go the motivo di familia, or subsidiary, you take go the motivo di familia. Still, the asilo law still recognize you. Once asilo, always asilo. So this is one thing where we need to know about the asilo document where we they get or we they pray for. It be like soldier where you dey war front. You don't know say you don't tire till the war go end. The moment where any country, not only Italy, they don't recognize you, say you be stateless person. Any paper where you go get, according to Italy here, they say that they put on, they recognize, make they know, say this is also person. Now through asilo or through this paper, now you take get this thing. So may your mind not tell you, say, now at the asilo, I won't go I won't go working permit, which is subordinato. So because of that, I go my country direct. You are in a risk. And mind you, you know, say Italy work, you know they stable. If you go move the 5 years, where you go feel renew, even if you not get working contract, you go feel renew. You move and go put for working paper. Now, if you lose your job, you don't lose your paper. You understand? I think if the paper where after, say for example, you dey subordinato and you not get working contract to renew the paper, they go give you a tessa occupazione if I'm not wrong. Now that paper they go give you, and that paper it means say you dey find job. Any moment where the paper go expire, where you not see job, the paper don't finish for your hand, your paper don't die. So my people, this video is for una wey get 5 years. When una dey plan to carry the 5 years go 1 year paper, it doesn't make sense say you go waiting be 5 years. Every 5 years now you go renew. You go come carry and go 1 year, and the 1 year you need to show job contract before they go renew for you, which doesn't make sense. Because the moment when you remove the paper for them, you won't go face that law. And as you won't go face that law, instead of them say, okay, this person, you don't go here, so the asilo law may we remove for his head, still the asilo still attach you. According to even in the Carta Sojourner, which is the one where we they call 00, where now they don't do 10 years. Even if you from asilo or subsidiary still get her, they still they recognize, say you this person, na asilo you from, now you take get this Carta Sojourner, where they your hand. So we need to be clear for all these things. May we not think say we won't do something, take dodge something, but the thing, it no go work. Because question at the moment when you put paper for renew, or you are request for any paper, all your document information about you, story, anything where you don't tell them, it there with them. They go look in. They go examine you well. So we need to be careful. To me, my advice to you as a viewer, as an asilo political or subsidiary holder, not try move the paper to working permit. Because moving the paper to working permit, there is no benefit for you. You are rather risking the paper. When they go fee, collect or revoke the paper for your hand if you not obey some laws. And every 1 year you need to renew, or every 2 years. And this one, only 5 years. You go renew. After the 5 years, you go then go to your you go then go apply for if na your Carta Sojourner. So far as you get all the requirements where they need. So please be clear on this thing. Share to your friend. Because why I did this video, recent week, almost 5 people, they call me, say they won't carry their subsidiary, go working permit. So I decided to do one video for you to understand. Say there are some questions yourself. If you read there, they go tell you, say no, they no go do. If you see bad questura, you not concerning them because they know say you won't key the paper. When I know say some of the questions yourself, the paper where they give you self, it invest them. So if you by yourself carry your hand, carry and come, say may they kill them for you. Some, if you meet some bad people, they go still help you kill them for you. So I beg, if you hold your subsidiary, handle the subsidiary like that. If you hold your asilo like that. If your residence reach for Carta Sojourner, you apply. If you reach for Cittadinanza, you apply. It's better than moving the paper backwards. Because now front you they go. You know they go your back. Thank you for watching. Please, if you never download TapTapSend, now them they sponsor this video. TapTapSend will help you send money go Niger. The rate, something else, very high. You understand? So you know they pay any sending fee. And if you use my promo code, which is Gloria, GLORIA, they will still give you free $5, €5 or £5. It depends the area where you dey. As I said earlier, on Monday, I transfer through TapTapSend to Niger. I received 68,000 naira. 68 naira. You understand? Now TapTapSend always are they use. Download them, very easy, very secured. If you encounter any problem about using TapTapSend, just dial my number 3510851685. I go put you through in any way. The one where I no fee do, I go still call the support team so that they go still put me and you through. We came to stop. Pay me €5 before I go send €100. Pay me €10 before I go send 200. No, with TapTapSend, even though na €1,000 you dey send, na free. Because you imagine that money where you won't pay for the person, maybe you won't say €100, they say €5. Now €5. If you say €100 to hand go Niger, highest the one where you don't get highest money where they go give you either 64, 65. But TapTapSend you go send them free, you go get 68,000. Okay, imagine that €5 where you put for sending fee. If you put and join say you wan put am join take send the money on tap send, meaning say the 105 euro wey you take go send for black market wey you receive 65,000 on tap send, you go get almost 72,000 naira, which is very interesting. You don't need to create any dollar account before you use tap send. As you send the money, them by themselves they go generate the dollar account for you. So the person wey get the account, they go just alert and say they don send you money through your dollar account. Come to the office and receive your money. From there going, anytime wey you go send money, they go just allow the person any ATM. If na the ATM the person dey withdraw, you go just go any ATM to withdraw the money. Tap send is very easy and fast, convenience, no risk and no fear, no stress at all in tap send. May God bless you for watching and sharing and liking. Until next time, adios.